Hey everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Today we have something really special. We are in our indoor flight center and now we have something really cool here. We have the company that actually made the space helicopter here, and I can show you the space helicopter and how it's made. Let's go and start.
Yeah, I see that.
So what we got over there, we have the steering servos over there with all the aluminum parts and some plastic Milo parts. The carbon fiber blade that we're going to show in a second, they have it on the table over there. And then those are the solar panels on the top in order to recharge the batteries that on the bottom of it. Those blades are extremely lightweight. I was looking at them earlier and I'm going to show it. It's on the table over there. And then you have here the double swash plate, one on the top, one on the bottom. It looks like a very simple toy that is sent to space, but it actually costs a lot of money to do. Those are the landing gear. And let's look over here on the table. I'm going to try to squeeze in there. So those are the blades.
Yep.
They're made out of...
It's a foam core and a carbon fiber skin. This is the motor. It's actually wound with rectangular wire.
It's super lightweight.
Yes, very lightweight.
Why?
Because it allowed us to get more carbon in there.
This is the blade
more
itself.
copper in there.
Very simple, very
So
light.
you want more mass than number of windings?
We needed so much copper packing factor. We needed just the pure density of copper to be higher.
Huh.
So we ended up using square wire, which was very difficult. Matt hand wound all these motors.
Oh wow.
And it was very difficult.
What material is the shock absorber over here?
Titanium.
It's titanium?
Heat-treated titanium.
And then we got here the brushless motor system.
Can I take a picture of you next to her?
And then there is kind of a mini part of it.
You take one of both of us too.
And here what we got is a Hummingbird that they designed. And it's kind of side slice so you can see everything. And then there is here the entire version of the wings. Okay, so they're gonna fly right now to a helicopter for Mars, the Mars rover. Hopefully it will be stable. Wow, it's taking off in a very low RPM. You hardly can hear it. On the background, this is Matt. He's one of the developer, and this is how it's looked like. $80 million leftovers of Rover that they're actually flying here right now. Just unbelievable how stable this thing is. And it's flying it really close to everybody. And it's super stable.
Battery voltage looks good. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of another demo flight, Kyle.
So they're gonna go for another flight right now. Okay, they're gonna go up again, and what they're doing right now, actually it's so stable that there is a kids that gonna fly it with they have 2 remotes, and they're gonna fly with it in a trainer mode.
Alright, little co-pilot action. Alright, go right, all the way over. There you go, you're flying it. Now go to the left, all the way over. And then you can push it, now back to the center, now push it away from you. There you go, back. Alright, nice job. I'm going to take over control. There we go, landing.